Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about how to change your industrial bar. This one is really easy, I feel like, but I just figured I would go over it just in case there's people out there struggling, or maybe people that haven't changed jewelry at all before. So before I do get into the video though, please hit that subscribe button down below along with the little notification bell right next to subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. Please do hit the thumbs up button if this video helps you out at all, and do check out my social media in the description box down below. I have my Instagram linked on there, and I will also put it up here on the screen in case you want to just go type it in. Get right into this industrial change video. So I'm just going to be going over this basic bar. There are other kinds of bars you can get that have decorations in the middle, and those bars you have to change differently than this one. But I'm just going to be going over the basic bar because I feel like this is what most people struggle with when they first get their industrial pierced and are changing it for the first time. So pretty much I would really suggest a pair of gloves if you are changing your jewelry for the first time ever, because one, it's more sterile, and two, it is a lot easier to grip the jewelry. I change my piercings all the time without gloves, but I've had this piercing since I was 18, so it's not gonna get irritated. My hands are clean anyways, but yeah, I would highly suggest gloves if you do have them, if you're changing this for the first time. So it is really simple. You just have to hold on to the end of the bar. I like to unscrew the top bead because it seems to be easier than trying to unscrew the other bead because I can kind of see what I'm doing more. So I like to hold on to the bottom, and then I will take the top, and what you're going to do is you're going to turn the ball away from your face. So this way. Not inwards, but outwards. I can't really say left or right because it's going to be different from your perspective, but yeah, you're just going to be turning it away from your face, like so. And you can also kind of push the bar out if that helps you too, but yeah. And then once the bar is pulled out of your ear, you have the bar and the bead. And then to put it back in, I do it the opposite way. Instead of putting this bead on, I'll put this bead on because I can see this better than trying to do this with my hand in the way. So what I'll do is I will find the top hole with the bar and then push it through, adjust my angle, find the other hole and push that through. As you can see, it goes in really easily because I've had this piercing for so long. Take the bead, find the threading on the bead. I like to kind of flip my ear this way too, it's a little bit more helpful. Then just screw it on. And there you go. That's how you change your industrial. Like I said, I feel like this video was really simple, but hopefully this helped you out if you're struggling. I would say just like adjusting your ear to fit where you need to put the ball rather than like trying to do it in the back or like in the front. Like, it's a lot easier just to flip your whole ear forward with the bar and then screw beads on, in my opinion. And I like to take off the top bead when I'm changing it, and then when I'm putting a new bar in or the same bar, I will put on the lower bead just so my hand isn't in the way. As you can see, it's a lot easier to do it this way. So I guess that's my little tips and tricks. If the bead is really stuck, like I said, gloves will help you change it if the bead is not wanting to budge either way. And just gripping the jewelry because, you know, hands get sweaty and slippery, and then your ball falls and you don't know where it went and it's gone, and then you gotta go buy new jewelry. So make sure you're using gloves if you are not a pro at changing your jewelry, which if you're watching this video, you're probably not, so please wear gloves. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do check out my Instagram linked in the description box, and also I'll have it up here on the screen. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and the notification bell right next to that if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. And hit the thumbs up button if this video helped you out. Thank you guys so much for watching this industrial change video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!